BibleWorks enables you to perform word studies on texts other than the Bible at the same time that you search the biblical text. It's easy to search all your Bible versions and extra biblical text in the same language using the command line's cross-version search mode. In this example, we'll use the BGM, Septuagint, and New Testament Greek morphology text as our command line search version. We have the BGM set as our search version, and then we'll search for the Greek word agapao in all the available Greek texts. On the main BibleWorks menu, select Search, then Cross-Version Search Mode, and by default you'll notice that the Search Only Current Search Version is checked. In order to search all of the available Greek texts, select Search and Display All Same Language Versions. Notice that the second indicator on the Command Line Versions button has now turned yellow. This is a reminder to you that you have the cross-version search mode set. Every search that you do now will be a cross-version search, so it's a good idea to keep an eye on that Command Line Versions button, and when you're done conducting the cross-version search, to disable it. Now let's conduct our search. Enter a period on the command line, and then the word agapao, A-G-A-P-A-W. Then press Enter to conduct your search. The cross-version search results window opens, showing you the Greek versions that contain a hit for your word. You'll notice that not only are all the Greek New Testament and Septuagint texts included in the search results, but there are also results for the Apostolic Fathers, Josephus, the Old Testament Greek pseudepigrapha, and Philo. To display the search results, click on the version in the cross-version search results that you wish to display. I'll click here on Josephus. And now I can view the verses in Josephus. If I wish to view the verses in Philo, I'll click on Philo. I can view the verses in the Apostolic Fathers or the Old Testament Greek pseudepigrapha, or any of the Greek versions as well, including the Septuagint. Don't forget that when you're finished cross-version searching and you want to search only one version at a time, select Search, Cross-Version Search Mode, and Search Only Current Version. There are many ways to use the cross-version search mode to give you the best results for your study habits. Here are a couple of examples to consider. After you conduct your search using the cross-version search mode, you can use the search window tabs to keep your search results for further study. For example, I may wish to use tab 2 for my Septuagint results. I'll select the BLM or LXT Septuagint version for here. For tab 3, that may be my Old Testament pseudepigrapha. Tab 4 I'll use for Josephus. And tab 5 I'll use for Philo. Now I could switch between my various tabs to view my search results. And each tab retains that search version,